Hello everyone. So today we will start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Marks of Punctuation and Capital Letters. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 17, Marks of Punctuation and Capital Letters. Marks of punctuation very important in a language. We must observe them else we may mean something else than what we intended. मार्क्स ऑफ पंचुएशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है लैंग्वेज में. हमें उन्हें ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए कहाँ पर कौन सा पंचुएशन मार्क्स यूज नहीं हो रहा है या कहाँ पर यूज होना है. एंड एल्स वी मीन समथिंग एल्स, क्योंकि एक पंचुएशन मार्क की वजह से ही सेंटेंस का मतलब चेंज हो जाता है. द कॉमा. कॉमा रिप्रेजेंट्स द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉज. कॉमा होता है जब भी हम किसी वर्ड्स में के बीच में कॉमा लगाते हैं. इट मीन्स कि छोटा सा पॉज लेना है. टू सेपरेट टू और मोर वर्ड्स ऑफ द सेम पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के वर्ड्स को सेपरेट करा जाता है. शी इज टॉल, ऑनेस्ट, ट्रस्टवर्दी एंड ब्यूटीफुल. एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, कॉमा लगा बीच में. लखनऊ, वाराणसी, मेरठ, आलोकरण, उत्तर प्रदेश. नाउन्स. सुमन राइट्स नीटली, legibly and correctly. Adverbs. हम लगाते हैं कॉमा को बिफोर एंड आफ्टर इंफिनिटिव्स. शी इज टू टेल द ट्रूथ द मेन कल्प्रिट. बिफोर सर्टेन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से पहले लगाते हैं हरी इज नॉट ओनली एक्यूज्ड बट ऑल्सो कन्विक्टेड. He is not only a madman but also a fool. After the nominative of address, like soldiers march fast. To make of short coordinate clauses, जैसे कि steam, elevates, lowers, pulls, pumps, trains, drives, propels, etc. When words of the same class go together in pairs, they are separated by a comma. Like rich and poor, young and old, high and low, all must die one day. By day and night, at home or abroad, he is a source of constant anxiety to his mother. Before and after words or phrases से पहले, he is after all my best friend. The garden was so long, they'll tell the truth, 50 meters in breadth. Before the introduction of the direct speech, जैसे कि the child said, I love football. To mark off an adverb clause from the principal clause, like Asha would gladly do this if she were allowed. Manas will succeed because he works hard. Now, let's do the exercise. You have to insert the commas where necessary in the following sentence. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is a historical place. Alexander, riding on a fine horse, led the attack. Here, books, copies, pens. So books, copies, pens, pencils are sold here. Speak clearly if you could be understood. What are you reading, Sita? So like this, you have to complete the exercise by inserting the commas, then the full stop. Full stop represents the longest pause. Full stop का मतलब होता है कि लंबा pause होता है. It indicates the close of a complete sentence. कि sentence खत्म हो गया है. It is used at the end of an assertive या imperative sentence के last में लगाया जाता है. लेकिन God is great. Open the window. Work is worship. Shut the door. After abbreviations के बाद लगाया जाता है if it begins with first and ends with last letter of the word. The full stop optional होता है. Mr. Mrs. Doctor, Mr. Mrs. Doctor. Note, in current English में Mr. and Mrs. अकर होता है बिना full stop के, as these have come up to be regarded as full spellings. फिर आता है mark of interrogation. मार्क ऑफ इंटेरोगेशन हम यूज करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ फुल स्टॉप. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन के बाद जब क्वेश्चन होता है तो उसमें हम फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगाते. इसमें हम इंटेरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन है, इंटेरोगेटिव है सेंटेंस, तो आपका इंटेरोगेटिव मार्क लगेगा. जैसे कि हाउ आर यू क्वेश्चन मार्क, आर यू इल क्वेश्चन मार्क, व्हाट इज योर नेम, वेयर हैव यू कम फ्रॉम. फिर आता है मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन हम यूज करते हैं इंटरजेक्शंस के बाद या फिर फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस जो कोई सडन इमोशन या विश एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. Alas, hush. How are the mighty fallen in battle? What are charming scenery? Inverted commas और quotation marks. Inverted commas indicate करता है beginning या फिर quotation का end या फिर actual words जो हम use करते हैं by the speaker. My teacher said you must work hard. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing, Papa says. अब apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show that some letter or letters omitted है. Don't, do not, haven't, have not, I have. To indicate possession को indicate करना. This is Mohit's book. He tied a stone to the dog's tail. Now let's do the exercise. Insert the quotation mark, marks of interrogation, exclamation in the following sentences. You know him, don't you? The president visited Nepal. Full stop. Isn't, I capital, isn't this place beautiful? Comma, get, G capital, then get into my car. He said to me. Yeah. That is great news. Your father has 2 items in his bathroom, a toothbrush and a shaving cream, full stop. That is my sister's shirt, I think. So sisters and full stop. What do you want? Question mark. Then comes to the next. Shorten the words in color with the help of apostrophe. तो हमें क्या करना है, इन वर्ड्स को शॉर्टन करना है apostrophe की हेल्प से जो कलर में, लाइक Anna can't expect to be invited. Now Anna can't expect to be invited. Anna could not expect to be invited. The yacht was making its maiden voyage. Their yacht was making its, will be now this, maiden voyage. As a minister, she have known better. As a minister, she would have known better. Like this, you have to change the sentences. Then next, capital letters. Capital letters are used, कहाँ use करते हैं? At the beginning of the first word of every sentence. कोई भी sentence हम start करते हैं तो first letter should be capital. Like lotus is a national flower, तो L capital है. At the beginning of a fresh line, poem की fresh line start करते हैं. Youth is full of pleasures, old age full of cares. At the beginning of first word of a quotation, कोई भी quotation है, he said to a resume. At the beginning of all proper nouns, proper adjectives, personified objects, चाहे वो middle में भी आए sentence के, but you have to start them with the capital. America, India, Americans, Indians, or sleep, or death. At the beginning of the names of books, magazines, newspaper, this is the Bible, the Ramayana, India Today, Hindustan Times, Times of India. At the beginning of names of days of the week, of the months of the year को start करते हैं. Friday, Wednesday, May, October. At the beginning of words of important events, जैसे कि भक्ति movement, French Revolution, World War II. Now let's come to the exercise. We write the sentence using punctuation marks and capital letters जहाँ पे necessary. How far is Goa from Hampers? तो how, Goa का G capital, Hampers question mark. She can speak Chinese very fluently. So she, S will be capital and C capital. Full stop. My doctor's name is Dr. Sharma. So my M capital. Doctor's name is D capital. Full stop. Portia is the heroine of Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. So P is capital. Heroine of Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice ka V capital. Full stop. The teacher said to me, where were you yesterday? So the will be capital. The teacher said to me. Then here inverted commas. W should be capital. Were you yesterday? Question mark. So like this, you have to use the proper punctuation marks in these sentences wherever it is required. I hope you all have understood this chapter. You can go through it and complete the exercises. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.